Alright, this warrants a longer video. This is practically unbelievable. So yesterday I finished turning the barrels for these two CEO twist pens, discontinued pen from PSI. Some really nice barrels I had ready for it, and I went to assemble it, and I noticed that the black enameled parts had this sticky gunk all over it. I was very optimistic that PSI would be able to resolve it, so I gave them a call today. They assured me that the solution was to wipe these down, not with a rag, not with acetone, not with the microfiber, not with anything except and only except a flannel shirt, which is my shop shirt. So I'm back and I have wiped them down, and lo and behold, that was the fix. So here is the previous, all gunky and sticky and nasty, and there is the fix, shiny and new and perfect looking. So I think my text name over at PSI was Thor. Good job, Thor. I appreciate it.